Okay, so today I got this all fit here and up here in the channel, all good. Took it all off, sanded everything down, put the weld through primer in. Yeah, it's ready to install. So really excited about that because next step, yeah, the front end. So got to get this in, mount it really nice and solid. It's all, like I said, it's all ready to weld. So welding shall happen tomorrow. Yep. Tomorrow I'll be welding. Finally be welding this on. So good day today. Morning, working on a cowl today, starting to get it welded in, working my way around it. You know, first few welds, you're getting your bearings about you again, so not exactly my best welds, but they clean up well. So anyways, getting back at it. Got a lot more to go. Big panel with a lot of welds, so it's going to take a couple sessions. So here I go. Okay, I'm headed off to work, so let's take a look at what I did. So I got this side up here to the edge, down along here, got the corner here, all the way around through the front, and then up to the brake master cylinder mount. So that's it today, and that was, I don't know, 2.5 hours of welding and grinding. So as you can see on the floor, I've made a mess. I burned myself 1,000 times, so I'm ready to go to work. Hey everybody, so it is 1 o'clock in the morning, Thursday morning, and I'm over here at the shop finishing the welding. So the welding is all done on this cowl panel now, all the way around the top, the sides, the back, everything is done. So that's all completed. So now we can scuff the front end up. I got to put these inner fender wells back on so I know where the welding goes on both sides, and then I can tape that off, and then we can put some epoxy primer on it. So gonna have to do the hood over there and then do the front end of the car right here in epoxy, and then we'll be able to move forward. So, but I got to get that all done in epoxy here in the next day or so, because it's all scuffed up and open and I don't want it to rust. So anyways, yep, it's all done, and I'm ready to go home and go to bed. So thanks for joining me. Talk to you later.